Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Just really a quick middle of the day update here. No change to the previous scenario. Really just updating because I know a lot of people want to see these multiple ADA updates during the day, but we are still in the downtrend here. And while Ethereum is currently trying to break through key resistance at 1400, ADA is not doing much, unfortunately. Yeah, quite slow. As I said in previous videos, we can even draw an additional trend line here possibly, so that might have some meaning for us. There are various trend lines we can actually draw here for ADA, but overall, yeah, I'm still here focused on the downside with a possible target of around 41.5 cents for this wave 3 down. Of course, if Bitcoin now make a larger breakout, and Ethereum as well, ADA could push higher as well, but don't disregard the key resistance levels here at 46.8 cents, 48.3, and then up here at 49.1. They are key resistance levels, and breaking each of these will invalidate 1-1-2 setup. I talked about that, I think, in yesterday's video, that we have quite a lot of 1-2 setups here on the chart, which is actually quite a bearish setup. So we have here a white 1-2, that's the highest level degree here, or highest degree. Then we've got in this wave 3 in white, we've got a 1-2 in red. Then we've got in the wave 3 in red a 1-2 in green, and in the wave 3 in green we've got a 1-2 in white again. So we've got all these 1-2 setups. If you get too many, it gets unrealistic, and I said yesterday I wouldn't be surprised if ADA makes a move to the upside to invalidate a couple, and then we just have a more complex wave 2 correction, a longer one, but not so many 1-2 setups. And it just is oftentimes what happens. So I wouldn't be surprised to break 1 or 2 of these resistance levels, especially if we are short-term flipping bullish here with ETH and maybe Bitcoin, or have at least an extended correction to the upside on the Bitcoin chart, that ADA will move along. So again, just sideways range movement here with ADA as well. As long as you're in a range, you don't really know which direction it's going to break out. My take still to the downside. And what you need to understand, even if we break through one of these resistance levels here, it doesn't suddenly get bullish. It will only get bullish if we see an impulse to the upside that is followed by a corrective move to the downside. At the moment, we are far away from that. We see corrective movements all over the place, a lot of messy price movements, a lot of overlaps. That just does not constitute here any bullish pattern that would indicate a breakout to the upside. I'm rather looking here at a breakout to the downside. Of course, from my point of view, these are long-term, interesting and attractive accumulation prices also for ADA, but there is currently no real trade setup other than possibly a 1-2 setup that could be used for a trade in a wave 3 to the downside. Yeah, these are always, that's why I call these out, the 1-2 setups. They are usually trade setups, and again, they happen on any time frame. They happen on the longer time frames. On the longer ones, they are more attractive in my opinion. Yeah, like with Ethereum on the daily, we've got a 1-2 setup. Awesome. Yeah, here you've got a lot of smaller 1-2 setups that, of course, 1-2 and then can be traded in wave 3 down as a short. But yeah, this is not the most reliable chart at the moment until we really break out of this larger triangle, I believe, that we still have on the chart here, which is still restricting ADA's movements. Yeah, so again, just a quick update here during the day. Not much happening on the ADA chart, unfortunately. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.